Welcome to Ronjo Innovations. Today we are going to learn some easy finger exercises that can be done using guitar. First one is 1-2-1-2 exercise. First you press this fret and then the other, and then you go like this. And then the opposite. Very good finger exercise for beginners, and when you start learning the guitar to make your fingers more flexible, you can do this exercise. Exercise is the 1-3 exercise. So you press the first fret, then the third, then the third, then the first, then the third, and then you go upwards, then downwards. So it's like every day, your guitar skills will gradually increase, and you will be able to do guitar a lot, and it won't take you much strain, and it also helps your fingers to adjust the guitar's strings sharpness. Sometimes when we press these strings, our fingers will very much hurt. Exercise is the 2-4 exercise. So first you press the second fret on the first string, then the fourth fret on the first string. So then repeat the same on the second string also. Third string, fourth string, and the fifth string, and the sixth. The exercises that we learned today are the 1-2, the 1-3, and the 2-4. Try to hold it just near the fret like this, and not here or here. If you hold here, it will sound like, but if you hold here, it will sound like, and that's the correct way of holding the fret. Bye.